because it's time. Hold you for my life. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment, hold you for life.
Hi guys, I'm currently having a cold. That I'll tend not to talk in this video. I think what you'll just see is a timestamp of everything I'm doing. I'm currently doing schemes of work. I have hidden the administration part because one, I do not want you guys to know where I teach. Two, I feel I need a little bit of privacy in case you really know where I teach, or in case you know where I stay, or in case you know where I'm a teacher. Please just keep it to yourself. Keep it to yourself, please. This is just because one, I need privacy, a little bit of privacy. As much as I want to show you guys what is happening in my life, there are things I might choose not to show for the sake of my own well-being, too, for the sake of my own privacy. So if you see me not showing probably a lot of other things, don't question. I choose some things, I choose them to be private. Yeah, so I'm currently doing schemes of work. If you're a teacher, you know, and even us, we do schemes. And this is the template of now how probably it looks like. I can show you the ones I have done. There are a few I've done, but what I'm going to show you is written works. Yeah, that is so that is how the template looks like. So down here I'm going to write as I watch from this other phone. I'm watching the Squidward game challenge. Squid Game, is it Squid? Yeah, Squid game challenge. It's the reality game challenge thingy. I hope you've seen it. It's on Netflix in case you have not seen it. Yeah, and I have my design book here, which I'm copying it from. I'm now using it to do the schemes of work. So it, like, people ask me, okay, let me address this because I feel I need to address it. People ask me, you've closed school and you're still at work. Yeah, as a teacher you'll still be at work. Like, it's not that you're closed school, you don't have things to do. One, you have to prepare the schemes of work. The schemes of work are like the way now we are going to take the lessons when we open the new term, and then it's like a guideline of what to teach during that term. And then we have lesson plans. Lesson plans allow us to know detailing, show what we are going to teach, and now how the lesson will happen. So when you're in school, you think your teacher just woke up and came to class. No, she prepared or he prepared for that class. So that's what we do. We also prepare for that lesson plan, and then apart from that, there are things we do. We prepare the learning materials. Now probably the charts, let me just take it into a upper class level thingy, because I'm currently doing kindergarten stuff. So I think kindergarten for you guys might be a little bit like you can't really remember what happened, but let me use now where you can really remember. Like probably let's talk about class 7, class 8 there, or from 1, from 2 there. The teacher used to come with charts which are already written and prepared and all that. So those are the learning materials that the teacher prepare before having that lesson. So just being a teacher, it takes a lot. It takes a lot, you guys. Never think we are that free. We are never free, actually. Come to look at it. Kitambo, I used to feel like I will be having plenty of time to do 1, 2, 3, but nah. So I have to prepare. First of all, I have deadlines for this. I have to finish them, and then now probably look at it now. I need to prepare learning materials for my students. Yeah, and I'm enjoying the journey, guys. Let me tell you, if there's one decision I made, I probably nearly make kiwa, but pia mimi nearly make, but pia mimi nilisaidiwa ku make. It was not like something that me Michelle nilisema, but if there's one thing that I'm grateful for, is when I chose to do teaching. The satisfaction that comes with it, the sweetness these kids have, oh my god, I just don't know what to say. I don't know what to like really explain. But guys, this is one of the career journey that I really enjoy. And there are days I'm just like, what's my purpose? Why do I feel so down? And when these kids come to school, like, it's all done. I'm not even thinking about my issues in life. I'm just so living the moment. And when people say teachers live long, honestly, I can attest to that, because the moment the kids get to class, you forget your own troubles, you forget everything. Even if, like, probably someone did ruin your morning, it's just everything shifts in a second, and you're really enjoying the moment. You're really enjoying what these kids are sharing. And to you parents, let me come for you guys. To you parents, watch what you do, watch what you say at home, because tunapata report. So watch what you say, watch what you do, those two things. And watch what you say to your spouse. Be loving to your partners, be loving to your surrounding, be loving, show love, because these are the kind that is the love we get also from these children, and they tend to give us a good moment. Honestly, I have been enjoying, and I really enjoy this career so far. There are ups and downs, which I won't lie to you at it's all perfect, but there are ups and downs. But majority of the part, it's really an amazing journey. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. I don't think I'll talk again. Later on, I want to change my beddings. I might wash my clothes today or tomorrow. So I'll just tag you guys along. And also, the reason why I think most now of the vlogs now you've seen, I am always in the bedroom, it's because my sitting room is currently, it's very empty. I think I'll show you later on when I'm cleaning, because probably when I'll be getting the seeds. I don't think it will be the same vlog because it will be too long, but if it will be the same vlog, you will just see the change of everything. Yeah, and that's all. I'm loving this. I'm enjoying the moment. Honestly, I'm so full. I had like a brunch where I had pancakes and some bit of beef and tea. Yeah, so I think you guys will just see me later.
In your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm broken, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm low, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my home. Whenever you're down, I'll be there. Girl, I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm, take me as I am. Baby, it's magic and we turn that look together. Come here, 'cause it's time. Hold you for a night.
So hi guys, I think I want to end the vlog here. You've been able to see what I did during the day, and I left a little bit the house to go and take my friend to do her nails. I've come back. I want to do my dinner. I want to just warm cause what I have, and then make tea because I'm just an oldie. I take tea at night, so I want to also make tea. I take tea. I got some milk which I want to use it to make tea. Yeah, and that's all. As I was doing cleaning, my tiny finger ilivunjika, so I'm just dealing with that situation. You get it? Now it's almost the same level as this other hand. Yeah, but anyways, I'm good. I think I'll end the vlog there and see you on the other one. So bye bye.